Welcome to the program, Country Garden. Today, we will explore one of the most familiar and popular crops, bananas. Join me for a walk around a banana garden to learn the process of growing and harvesting this wonderful fruit. First, when starting to grow bananas, it is important to choose a banana variety suitable for the climate and soil conditions. Bananas are suitable for tropical climates and well-drained soil. After choosing the variety, we will prepare the soil by cleaning the weeds and digging holes to plant the seedlings. Bananas are propagated mainly by branching from the mother plant. These branches are pruned so that they have enough roots and stems before planting in the prepared hole. After planting, it is necessary to water regularly and fertilize to provide adequate nutrients for the plant to grow. And now, let's follow the development process of the banana tree. Banana trees will need 9 to 12 months to mature and bear fruit. During this time, attention should be paid to protecting the tree from pests and providing regular care for healthy growth. When the bananas are ripe, we will enter the harvesting stage. To ensure fruit quality, harvesting should be done when the fruit has reached its maximum size but is not fully ripe. Usually, bananas will be cut into bunches and transferred to a processing place to ripen. Don't forget, ripe bananas will have a bright yellow color and a characteristic sweet scent. So together we have explored the process of growing and harvesting bananas from the first steps until the bananas are ready to enjoy. Hopefully today's program has brought you interesting and useful information. Thank you for accompanying us on our countryside garden journey. Hello, and see you again in the next broadcast. Bananas are not only a delicious fruit, but also a rich source of nutrients, bringing many great health benefits. Let's explore the effects and vitamins contained in bananas. Bananas contain high levels of carbohydrates, especially natural sugars such as glucose, fructose, and sucrose, which help provide instant energy to the body. This is why bananas are often used by athletes as a quick source of energy before and after exercise. Supports bone health. Bananas contain small amounts of calcium and other minerals such as magnesium and manganese, which help promote bone health and prevent osteoporosis. Skin beauty. Thanks to containing many vitamins and minerals, bananas help soften the skin, prevent acne, and naturally moisturize. You can use bananas to make a skincare mask, bringing smooth and youthful skin. Vitamin supplements. Bananas are rich in vitamins, especially vitamin C and vitamin B6. Vitamin C helps strengthen the immune system, fights free radicals, and supports iron absorption. Vitamin B6 helps regulate blood glucose levels, supports brain function, and reduces premenstrual symptoms. Good for digestion. Bananas contain a lot of fiber, which helps improve digestion and prevent constipation. Pectin, a soluble fiber found in bananas, also helps regulate blood sugar and maintain cholesterol levels. Improve mood. Bananas contain a small amount of tryptophan, an amino acid necessary for the body to produce serotonin, a neurotransmitter that helps improve mood and reduce stress. Promote cardiovascular health. The high potassium content in bananas helps regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease and stroke. Potassium also supports muscle function and electrolyte balance in the body. With these great benefits, bananas deserve to be an important part of our daily diet. Add bananas to your menu to enjoy the magical effects that this fruit brings to your health. Weight loss support. Bananas are a great choice for those following a diet. With low calorie content and the ability to create a feeling of fullness for a long time, bananas help control weight effectively.